Hello everyone. In this lecture series on microprocessor, we are going to discuss on addressing mode. The main objective of addressing mode is what is the need of addressing modes and different types of addressing modes and examples of each addressing mode. Before going to the addressing mode, first we will discuss about what is data. Data is anything that's stored in memory. We have to access the data first and then we have to so first we need to fetch the data, then we have to process the data. What kind of the data microprocessor have? Data are in the form of binary digits, that is zeros and ones. So if I say I have 8-bit data, then I have there is a 8 bits on it. That is which is ranges from 000 to 111 of 8 digit. If it is 16 bit, it contains 16 0 to 16 1. This is the binary representation. Now we are going to discuss about uh, what is hexadecimal number. So we are clubbing each 4 bit uh, in each nibble. Then we will form a data. That is for clubbing this 4 nibble, we'll get 00 and clubbing this 4 number 111. If you convert into it, it is F. The 8-bit data is ranges in hexadecimal number from 00 to FFF. In the case of 16-bit data, it's in the case of hexadecimal, it is ranges from 0000 to FFFF, that is 4F. It's clubbing each nibbles in it. Now consider mainly 4 boxes. Each boxes have its own address that is pasted on it. That is 000 here 01F in the case of 01FF or FFF in the case. And now we are adding data into each box. That is first box data is 00 and second box is 01 and third box is 0B and fourth box is FF. In 8085 data, we data are in the form of 8-bit and address are in the form of 16-bit. Suppose I am placing more than 8-bit data, each box is overloaded. In this diagram, we understood what is data and what is address. The printed form is called address and the data contained inside it is called data. And now we are considered for need for addressing mode. Whenever we want to fetch a data for processing, we can call the data directly from the box, directly from the data, or we can call from either from in the address 00. Suppose if I want to access a data 00, I can call directly the data 00 or either from the box which is having the address 0000. I am calling the same data 00 but with the help of different method. So this is called addressing mode. The different ways of that microprocessor can access the data or the way the operand are chosen during execution of instruction is determined by addressing mode or the different ways microprocessor can storing the data or copying the data between registers memory. It is called addressing mode. So whenever we want to fetch a data for processing, we can call the data directly or we can call from address. I can say I want a data which is 00, or I can say I want a data 00 which is present in the address 0000. I am calling the same data but I am calling help of different method. This different types of method is called addressing mode. And now we are going to what are the different types of addressing mode. They are immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, and indirect addressing mode, and implied addressing mode. In the case of immediate addressing mode, you can directly place we call the data. That is 8-bit or 16-bit can be specified as a part of their instruction. The example is MVI C25H. Here 25H is directly copied to the register C or MVA N, 7C. That is 7C hexadecimal value is directly copied to the memory address or LXID 2000 or ADI06H. Here after accumulator value will be accumulator plus 0, 1. In the case of register addressing mode, the data transfer is between registers only. It specifies the source destination and the source and destination of registers. Example, move A, B. The content of B is copied to the register A, or add E, that is accumulator value is added with E and the data is stored inside the accumulator. In the case of direct addressing mode, it's